Hey everyone, welcome to my new channel. Whether you're following along or just tuning in, let's get into it. So this is part 1 of 2 on a 5-section pillow. As I go along, that will make more sense, but for now, let's just cover the materials. For this pillow, you'll need a 16-ounce bag of polyfill, 4 small black snaps, yellow thread, 2 100% cotton, yellow fat quarter 18-inch by 21-inch fabrics, 2 yards 100% white cotton, or 1 yard if you want 1 sheet of pillows. Again, it'll make sense later. This first step applies to pretty much any project you're working on. Make sure you have a clean and organized work environment so you know where everything is. So step 2 is getting all the materials and tools you need so you can work properly. For step 3, iron both yellow sheets, measure a foot by foot in a square, stack them, then cut out the square. Don't worry about it being perfect. The easiest way to cut it in a circle is fold it in fourths and cut a curve from the open side to the closed side of the fold. Before sewing, make sure there aren't any creases, and also that the side of the fabric you want to see when you're done is facing the inside. Now pin them together, but I recommend sewing the snaps on now, about an inch from the edge in a plus style. I forgot to do this, but you can still do this when you're done. But anyways, to close up, make sure there's about 2 inches open so you can flip it inside out. Also, have about a quarter of an inch extra fabric on the end. If you've already sewn the snaps on, this is your last step. Now for the fun part, flip it inside out and stuff it. Now when that's done, ladder stitch the pillow shut. Now for the final step if you haven't already sewn the snaps on. Pin the snaps about an inch from the edge of the pillow in a plus style. Then enter the edge of the pillow with your threaded needle to the snap. Sew it on, tie it off, then cut any protruding string off. Hey everyone, thank you for watching part 1. There should be a part 2 coming out probably in the next 2 weeks or so, depending on how lazy I am. But yeah, if you enjoyed, subscribe, tune in for more, and see ya.